Ever had to deal with vomit on your carpet and didn't know how to clean it? Well, it happens to the best of us. And while it may not be the most delightful situation, it's not the end of the world. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through this. First off, gear up with disposable gloves to protect your hands from bacteria and germs. It's also a good idea to open windows or turn on fans to ensure good ventilation in the area. Moving on, gently lift away any solid vomit residue from the carpet using paper towels or a spatula. Remember, don't press too hard, as this may push the vomit further into the carpet fibers. Next, blot up as much of the liquid as possible using clean, dry paper towels or a clean white cloth. Press down firmly and repeat until no more liquid is being absorbed. Now it's time to pre-treat the stain. You can make a cleaning solution by mixing equal parts of water and white vinegar, or use a commercial carpet cleaner. Alternatively, a paste using baking soda and water can also do the trick. Apply your chosen solution directly to the stained area. Let the solution sit on the stain for a few minutes to penetrate the carpet fibers. Then blot the area again with clean paper towels or a cloth to lift the stain. Once done, rinse the affected area with clean water to remove any remaining cleaning solution or residue. You can use a clean cloth dampened with water or a spray bottle to lightly mist the area. After rinsing, it's time to dry the carpet. Use dry towels or a dry cloth to blot the area once more to remove excess moisture. You can also place a stack of paper towels over the damp spot and weigh it down with a heavy object to help absorb moisture. When the area is completely dry, vacuum the carpet to fluff up the fibers and remove any remaining particles. If there's still an odor lingering, sprinkle baking soda over the affected area and let it sit for a few hours or overnight before vacuuming it up. If the odor or stain persists despite your efforts, consider hiring a professional carpet cleaner to deep clean the carpet. Remember, always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area of the carpet first to ensure it doesn't cause damage or discoloration. And that's it, folks. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, fresh-smelling carpet in no time.